Hi there, it's Miranda with your Customer Service Management course. I am coming to you this week with an audio recording. Thought it would be something different I haven't tried yet. And some of you seem to be confused from the written instructions in Moodle, so maybe verbal instructions will help make things a little simple for you, or simpler. Anyways, I want to thank those of you who have completed the course for the Superhost and the exam. Many of you have it completed, have sent me your certificates. Some of you are having issues pulling up your certificates and various problems. It's quite the episode this week trying to get all 36 of you guys this course. So for the other third of you that aren't done yet, need it done by 9 o'clock tonight and need that certificate sent to me. So if you're having problems, you're going to need to reach out to Lonnie. She's already done for the day, so you're already kind of past the deadline. But let's get this course done, and then you can get working on your essay that's due at the latest on Sunday night. So I wanted to go over this essay a little bit for some of you. As I stated in the Moodle shell for your course, I'm looking for you to write an article on social media. And I'm looking for you to write it from the perspective of trying to convince somebody that they need to invest in it for their hotel. I attached a number of articles for you to read. There's 3 different articles. I don't expect you to read all of it if you don't have the time or ability. The first article in particular, I did narrow it down to a few pages that I really enjoyed of it. The purpose of it is to get you to have a look at research that has been done in the area and present that as part of your argument to your ownership of the hotel to show them why you need to do something. When you're going into the type of jobs that we're hoping you get when you graduate from this program, you need to be able to convince and show people with facts why they should do things and how it's going to benefit them. So with your paper, that's what you're going to do. You can take a lot of different angles to this paper. You can just talk about how social media could help the customer service levels within the hotel, how it could help your patrons of the hotel have more loyalty towards the hotel. There's a lot of different ways that social media does help businesses. So you can cover those in your article. And if you even want to talk about some of the negatives of social media and how you can combat that, that would be great as well. But what I'm looking to get from you on this paper is some understanding of how to find some information, present it in a way that will be beneficial to the people that have hired you to do something, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. As long as they're questions that aren't already in the Moodle, you guys. I've had a lot of questions this week that are very basic and have already been written down in there. Maybe have a quick read over the posting for what I'm expecting from the article before you contact me would be fantastic. Anyways, but feel free to reach out. I'm here. And there's no lecture this week because this is the completion of Superhost this week, and we're still continuing on with social media. So if you have any questions, again, you can reach out. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and hopefully this audio recording will help clear up some of the information for you. Last, for the paper, I did state that I was expecting about 3 pages as a paper. It can be double spaced as fantastic. That wouldn't be a problem at all. And if it's not 3 pages, that's okay. If you present a great argument in less time, then I'm happy to see that, as long as it's based off of facts and not off of opinions, okay? That would be great. If you have any questions, again, reach out. Sorry, it's like the 4th time I've said that, but yeah, happy to chat. I'm here. I don't check my email every day, but I try to get to it every second day. So I'll be here. Thanks very much. Bye.